Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk, where we delve deep into the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're exploring a really intriguing topic: Atmosphère, a customized firmware for the Nintendo Switch. Now, I know what you're thinking. Firmware sounds technical, right? But don't worry, we're here to break it down in a way that's not only accessible, but also engaging. So, let's get started with what Atmosphère is all about. Essentially, it's a work-in-progress platform that customizes the Switch's firmware, allowing for alterations and enhancements to the gaming experience. Think of it like giving your gaming console a superpower boost. Atmosphère is composed of several components, each serving a unique purpose. For instance, there's a component called Fusée. This is the first-stage loader. It's responsible for loading and validating everything the Switch needs to function properly. It's like the first step in a relay race, making sure the baton is passed smoothly to the next runner. Then there's sept, which enables support for runtime key derivation, a fancy term for how the console manages security keys during operation. Basically, it adds another layer of security to keep everything safe and sound. Another key component is Exosphere, which is a customized trustzone. Trustzone is crucial because it creates a secure environment within the processor, allowing Atmosphère to run its own version of essential tasks, sort of like a secret server within the console that keeps everything secure. And don't forget about Thermosphère, which offers Immunand support. Now, for those who are not familiar, Immunand allows users to back up and use virtualized NAND images. It's a clever way to keep the main operating system intact while playing around with new features. If we dive deeper, we also find Stratosphere, which focuses on custom system modules, and Troposair, which introduces application-level patches to Horizon OS. These enhancements allow for adding desirable features to the firmware that users can really enjoy. Now, you might be wondering about the legal side of things. Atmosphère operates under the GPL v2 license, which is a pretty standard open-source license. However, there's an interesting exemption. Nintendo is not bound by this license, meaning they can choose a different licensing route for their contributions to the project. That adds a unique twist to the development ecosystem. So, who's behind this incredible project? Well, it's being developed by a knowledgeable team, including Cyrazem, TuxH, HexKeyZ, and Finks. They've all contributed immensely to making this firmware what it is today. And the credit doesn't just stop there. There's a whole host of other contributors, and that's from the SwitchBrew team that offers extensive documentation to community members who submit designs for Atmosphère's graphical elements. The sense of collaboration in this open-source environment is really inspiring. All right, let's wrap up this tech journey. If there's one key takeaway from today, it's that Atmosphère is emblematic of the power of community and collaboration in tech. It's about pushing the boundaries of what a gaming console can do and expanding the experiences available to gamers. So, what do you think? Would you be interested in trying out customized firmware on your own devices? Let's engage in that conversation. Thanks for joining me today on Tech Talk, and stay tuned for more intriguing tech discussions next time.